So I was gone for about 9 days to work, and I came back on Monday. It is currently Thursday. Tomorrow I gotta go back to work early in the morning. So, needless to say, I haven't done anything with the cars. Nothing whatsoever. I haven't even turned on the car. The GTR was ceramic coated and or paint corrected and ceramic coated the day before Thanksgiving. That day I put it away because as soon as I got home, it freaking rained. They said not to wash this thing for 2 weeks, so I didn't want to go out in the rain. Luckily, well, let's just say, luckily I got home because about 15 minutes after parking in the garage, it started drizzling, and then it started raining, and it only rained for that freaking day. So luckily we got home in time that we did, and I was planning on keeping the car garage so that it would have that 14-day grace period, and I would be home prior to, I was supposed to be home the 9th, and we were going to have like a Christmas car, I guess like a car show and like a little where they drive through like the town. But I got to go back tomorrow, which is the 8th, so I'm going to miss the freaking car show. So I'm going to go ahead and get the cars warmed up, just at least turn them on. Turn on the BMW as well. I might drive the BMW to go pick up the kids. I'm not going to take out the GTR because the thing is still really, really clean and I don't want to mess it up just to go drive to go pick up the kids. And I got the new GoPro, like we have the car mounts, you know, the little suction mounts, but I actually have like this carbon fiber arm, which I think it extends like 16 inches or something like that. It is not technically like the 360 mount because it doesn't go that high, but it goes pretty decent. It's the first time driving it. I don't want to drive it on this car and then it give out and hit the paint. So I wouldn't mind driving it on the BMW. I know that sounds crazy, but I wouldn't mind trying it on the BMW. So what I am going to do is, like I said, I'm going to warm up the GTR. I'm going to warm up the BMW. We're going to drive the BMW to go pick up the kids. And I'm going to try using that arm, do a little cruiser, see how it looks on different angles and stuff like that, and see what kind of winds it can hold up to. Because it has a bunch of Allen keys and it seems pretty stiff and really, really light because it's carbon fiber. But like I said, I don't know if at high speeds it'll be able to hold up like one of those 360 ones that has the 3 suction cups on it. So I'm not gonna test it out on the GTR with fresh paint and stuff like that and then it fall over and smack the hell out of the paint. But right now we're gonna get cold starts on the vehicles. Let's go ahead and get the BMW started up. This thing is nowhere near as loud as the freaking GTR. Hopefully this thing starts up. Let's get in here. I love the way the freaking BMW smells. And this thing is always clean inside. Look at that. The fox red seats contrasted with the black. I love this fucking car. I know I had the GTR and I kind of drive that one as of recent a lot more, but it was more so to get kind of a feel of the power. This thing is just, I love this fucking car. Woo! Already got a check engine light, which is the O2 sensor. Emissions, see, it'll say bank 2 whatever, but we'll just let it idle right now and I'll go ahead and clear that code here in a second. I got the scanner in the back seat right there. Every BMW owner owns a scanner. Gotta clear all them damn codes. what I would love to do is, see how these pillars are black? Black like leather? I want to get the headliner black, but then I have to get the freaking visors black and the centerpiece black. So maybe we'll do that. We'll try to find, because I believe the black edition has it. So we'll have to find the mirrors, these little pieces right here, this centerpiece, and then this thing goes for quite a bit of money. Actually, like the OE one is like $1,200. So I don't know if we'll either get an OE one or we'll take this one in to get like Alcantara or suede put on there, because I believe there is a place in Corpus that will do the suede crossovers. And then if it's, let's say $600-700, it's still $500 cheaper than getting an OE one. And then I'll just have to find these parts in black, see how much that's gonna run me. But I hate when it has that silver headliner. To me, that just looks, it looks stupid. It looks like it doesn't go there, you know what I mean? Well, I know the black edition has it where it's all blacked out, which I wish I had that. At least the pillars are freaking black. But yeah, I'm gonna look at doing this when we have some time off after Christmas. I'm gonna look at swapping out this thing. Not really doing any performance parts, but mainly just a little bit of the cosmetic stuff right here. And then we are gonna get the windshield replaced on the BMW. Because they had told me that they had the glass, they had the seal, but they could not find this piece right here. This piece, because they said that this is gonna actually end up giving out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order this piece as well. We're gonna swap out the windshield, because look at this. This got chips and all kinds of shit from the previous owner, and then the weather stripping is going bad. So we're gonna get that swapped out as well, because the rest of the car looks really, really good. It's just this windshield that bothers the hell out of me. I love the way this car smells, and it even reminds me of the original one that I bought in 2012, the 2011 E93 M3 is what I bought in 2012, and this one smells the exact same. And this is what 11 years, 12 years later, almost 13 years later. But yes, I absolutely love this freaking car. Needs to be cleaned though. These are Rohana wheels. Sweet ass setup. What size are these again? Yeah, 315. Look how bad it rubs. Oh well. If you ain't rubbing, you ain't trying, bro. For real. Alright, so check it out. This was the thing I was telling you about. This little arm from GoPro. Now, you could put it in a bunch of different positions. You could even break this down so that this one right here supports this one. It has like a little clamp where you can put it right here, and it kind of mounts like a triangle, and it'll support it. I guess if you're gonna go like kind of haul ass. I'm not really gonna haul ass. I'm just gonna cruise around, go pick up the kids, check out some footage on this thing, and we're gonna try it in a couple different positions, see if we can actually get this thing to mount and hold in the front. I'm gonna try using this thing, see if it'll hold on the bumper in the front. Right there, see? Get her back. Let's go ahead and reset. Yes. Boom. Code's off. Alright, now let's go ahead. So these mounts don't hold that well. That shit went flying off. It's all good. Looks like the GoPro is still working. There's no cracks on the screen. It just bent the crap out of the freaking, or just wore down the plastic that's on the outer case. It's all good. We'll order one of those tough cases tonight. And I mean, it holds good on the glass. It's just the plastic that's on the bumper, right? The fender is plastic as well. So it did not hold really well on that. And I could see that it was kind of like puffing up a little bit, but we should be good. These winding roads, this car just performs so well. You could be going 75 like on a decent turn, and it feels like you're going 20. Love this damn car. At 5,000 subscribers, we're gonna put a supercharger on the E92 M3. Come on, man, make me spend some money. Hit that subscribe button. Alright, so we got the cars in. Not without some battle damage to the damn GoPro. I'll leave that footage in there. But like always, anytime I use the vehicles, they both get extremely hot under the hood. And I always like to leave the hoods open, even though I didn't beat on the car. I didn't haul ass in the car. I didn't even put it in M mode, no nothing. I just like to do that because, one, it protects the clear coat up on here, and I don't want just ambient heat being on all the plastics, all the wires, all the fuel system and everything in there, because I don't know, man, I'm just weird about shit like that. But anyways, let's go inside, let's go download the GoPro footage, see what we got, see if anything is salvageable, or is anybody gonna make any content. I'll probably just post whatever just to put something out. But I appreciate all you guys. When we get to 500 subscribers, hopefully we can get to 500 subscribers before the end of the year. Make like a push, and I want to give away $50 to 2 people for Christmas. So let's do that. Need to clean that damn thing. Where's your brother? Let's go inside. I got the keys over here.